Hey guys, whether you're a beginner or have some programming experience, this video will help you learn the fundamentals of C. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of C and be ready to start coding on your own. So in this tutorial, I am going to explain you about the introduction to C language. So let's see the history of C. C is a general purpose, procedural, structured, and a mid-level programming language. C programming language was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories of AT&T, that is American Telephone and Telegraph, located in the USA in the year 1972. Dennis Ritchie is called as the founder of the C language. C was developed to overcome the problems of previous languages that are B, BCPL, etc. Initially, C was first developed to write the Unix operating system, which inherits many features of B and BCPL language. C is also called the mother of all languages as it is the base language to learn any other programming languages. Most of the compilers and JVMs, that are Java virtual machines, are written in C language. So this is all about the history of C language. Let's look into the features of C. So these are all the features of C. Let's see one by one. C is called as the general purpose programming language because it is used to solve a wide variety of problems. Languages such as C, C++, and Java are examples of general purpose programming language. C is also called as a structured programming language because it allows to break a code into different parts using functions that can be stored in the form of libraries for future use and for reusability. C is also called as the procedural oriented programming language because it contains a small bunch of code blocks called procedures to solve a problem. It executes the code sequentially and procedurally. That means it follows the number of steps to execute the code. Here, C is called as the middle level programming language because C supports the feature of both low level and high level languages. And then coming to the rich set of built-in operators, the C language supports a rich set of built-in operators. So what is operator is? Operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a certain operation, whether it is arithmetic, subtraction, multiplication, comparison, etc., using the values provided along with that operator. And C is also called as a portable language because if you write a C code in your machine, it will run on any machine which supports C without even modifying a single line of code because C is not tied to any hardware or any system. C is a hardware independent language or platform independent language. Coming to the libraries with functions. So libraries are the most important and useful tools that are available in the language. Libraries are pre-written pieces of code that can be used to perform specific tasks such as to sort the data or to search the data without even the need to write the code from the scratch. For example, if you want to sort a data or to search a data, there is already a code written in the C language and kept it in the library. All you have to do is to just to use the library to perform the specific tasks. And coming to memory management, the most significant feature of a C language because it support for dynamic memory management. That means that you can utilize and manage the size of the data structures that you declared in C during runtime. You will learn more about memory management in upcoming videos. So fast speed. Usually statically typed programming languages are faster than dynamic programming languages. So, unlike Java and Python, which are interpreter based, C language is a compiler based programming language. This makes the compilation and execution of code faster. So this is all about the features of C. So let's look into the applications of C, where and all we use C. So these are all the applications of C. So let's see one by one. Operating system. Operating system interacts with hardware. So here the C language where the code gets translated into machine level code and it run on any machine. For example, we are seeing n number of operating systems are running on any machine. For example of operating system that are written in C are Microsoft's Windows kernel, Linux kernel, Apple's OS X kernel, that is iOS. Embedded system. Embedded system is a hardware system having software embedded in it. So the examples are coffee maker, microwave, climate control systems, sensors. These are all the examples for embedded systems that are written in C. Compilers. So the compiler is a software that converts a program written in a high language to a low language. So high level language can be considered it as a source language, and a low level language can be considered it as a machine language. So some examples are like Clang C, MinGW, Apple C are the examples for the compilers that are written in C. So then coming to the game development. C language is often used to code games for smartphones like Android or iOS. So it is mainly uses Objective-C when it comes to the development of games. So examples are tic-tac-toe, the snake game, chess, bouncing ball are the games that are written in C language. Assembler. Assembler is a program that helps to convert the code in assembly language into machine code. GNU assembler is the example for an assembler that is written in C. Browser design. So C is a powerful programming language that can be used to design browsers. So example are Google File System, Google Chromium browser, and Mozilla Firefox are also written in C language. Then drivers. Device drivers are typically written in C using the driver development kit, that is DDK. For example are keyboard driver and mouse driver and the examples for drivers that are written in C. Then coming to GUI, that is graphic user interface. Windows 32 is a C runtime operating system that allows to write Windows GUI, that is graphical user interface applications. So for example, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator are the examples for graphic user interface that are written in C language. So this is all about the applications of C. Let's look into the difference between C and C++. So C++ is a superset of C, or even you can say it as C is a subset of C++. C++ is nothing but C language with classes. That means in C there are no classes, in C++ there are classes. C++ is object-oriented programming language which has some additional features which are not there in C, that are classes, objects, polymorphism, encapsulation, data hiding, data abstraction, and inheritance. C++ is an extension of C programming language. C++ gives better security, better performance, better speed, better scalability, and more and rich built-in libraries when compared to C language because of the features that are there in C++. So this is all about the introduction to C language. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.